A warm welcome to one and all. Thank you for joining us. It's a beautiful morning, and we are sure it's going to be a very high-intensity game. Captain has won the toss and selected to field first.
This is the playing 11 for today's match. Both teams are looking balanced, and we can expect a cracker of a game.
Ladies and gents, please stand up for the national anthems.
Both umpires with the new ball in hand are walking towards the pitch.
The fielding side looks warmed up and ready to go.
Captain opts for pace off. Spinner into the attack.
There must be some nerves as the batsman is set to face his first ball.
This stadium is jam-packed and fans are cheering for their favourite team. He's hit this very well. Do not bowl to him there. It's his strong area. 4 runs. The batter is shifting gears now. Will he go for it again? Interesting to see.
I tell you what, he uses the crease well to play the spinners.
Oh, that's lovely. Great timing. He has clipped that away beautifully towards the boundary for 4. Bowler becoming too predictable here. He needs to mix things up.
Oh, that's a good delivery, right on the money.
The batter looked extremely iffy on the previous ball. Lucky to have missed it. Oh, so elegant. Beautifully timed and eased it through the gap for 4.
Lovely timing, ball hitting the sweet spot. Spin him back. I think that's a good move. Well, that brings us to the end of the power play. Fielding captain can now have more fielders outside the inner circle. Good shot for a single. Turned away for a single.
Bowlers are not letting the batters free their arms. Placed into the gap for a single. Good running.
Looks like he enjoys space on the ball. Looks more confident when there's space on the ball.
He squeezed the ball into the gap for a single. Wickets in hand always help. When it comes to the death overs, you can only pile on the runs if you've got wickets in the shed. So final delivery coming. Bowler misses his line there. Wide delivery.
Decided to bowl that from round the wicket.
Terrific shot. Wasn't the best ball, but how well did he strike it? Well deserved fall. That'll be the end of the first innings. Let's wait and see what happens next.
The fielding side looks warmed up and ready to go.
There come the openers, looking all set for today's encounter. The crowd is cheering in joy.
The bowler has the new ball. We're all set to go for the first ball of the innings.
Monstrous hit. It's into the crowd for a maximum.
Gorgeous shot. Found the middle of the bat there.
Bowlers need to be more consistent with their line. It's been hammered away into the crowd for a maximum. That made a cracking sound from the bat.
That was a brilliant shot. Perfectly executed.
That's pure exhibition. A high-quality stroke for a boundary.
Plenty happening out there. Fielding captain needs to calm his bowlers down before the umpire interferes. The bowler is looking furious. There's a short ball coming. Cracking delivery, almost unplayable.
That was a morale booster for the bowler.
Good shot for a single.
This surface has played well today. There's a bit in this pitch for both the batters and the bowlers. Superb delivery. Couldn't do much with that. Spinner brought into the attack.
Well, that brings us to the end of the power play. Fielding captain can now have more fielders outside the inner circle.
Very well placed. Could they get more here? Oh, he's a clever cricketer when it comes to playing spin.
Good shot by the batsman. Can they steal a second here?
Well played for a single.
This has been an impressive performance. They got just about everything right today. A well-deserved win.